Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need minimal prep. Your iPhone, Apple ID signed in, and biometric or passcode unlocked. Once ready, open Wallet and tap your Apple Card tile. Make sure you're using the device registered to the card, because Apple restricts full number access to that account and device. Next, tap the three dots or more button to reach card options. You're already in motion, don't navigate away. The app stores the card securely, so the next step reveals the full number when you authorize it. Once you open card information, the system asks for authentication. Comply with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. After authentication, the full 16-digit number, CVV, and expiration appear for you to copy or transcribe. Make sure to use the number only on trusted sites. Apple logs access and limits sharing. If you need to copy, do it quickly. Sensitive details shouldn't remain visible. If you plan to enter the number on another device, use a secure method like an encrypted note or direct entry. Finish by using the number where required, but prefer Wallet's Tap to Pay or Apple Pay to avoid exposing digits. Once used, save the details in a secure password manager rather than plain notes. If the card information screen won't show the number, make sure iOS is current and your device is signed into the same Apple ID, then retry authentication. If problems persist, sign out and back in, or contact Apple Card support for account verification. They'll guide you without exposing sensitive data unnecessarily.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.